Greetings viewers, quick video on 2019 through 2025 current generation Lexus ES front brake pads. My brake pads were fine, it was pretty thick. I was having some pulsation, so I decided to change it. The purpose of this video is to show you one of the, let's say, complaints that I heard from many of the luxury brand owners was that, hey, my brake pad is never the same after the OEM, when you buy the car new. No matter where we do it, Lexus dealer, Toyota dealer, Mercedes dealer, is the same. So I did some research on doing this now. So I bought this shim kit. It seems like it's like, please correct me if I'm wrong, but from what I understand, it's pretty much all down to how you're installing it and also the shim kit. So I purchased this from the Lexus dealer. As you can see, each side gets two shims, right? So that's one side, one pad, and that's the other side. This is the top surface, the stainless steel piece one, and then you have an inner surface, inner shim too. And from what I could gather, when you have this brake pad, this is an OEM original brake pad from Lexus Toyota. So when you have one of this circle, you have to put grease that they provide on two sides, on this side and also on this side, just like a dime type of circle. You can kind of copy this one, the diameter of this one, and then you put your shim kit, you put your inner one and then your outer one. That's it. But guess what? The one that I removed, it was done at Mercedes dealership in Woodlands in Houston. So you would think that, okay, you know what, I'm getting it done at a Mercedes dealer, paying premium money. Nowadays we go by the money. If you're paying more money, it's better. Well, that's not really the case, not with everything, especially in service industry. So they had only one shim and it wasn't even the right one. They did grease it, so it was fine, but that, all I'm saying is, look, it's not cheap to replace it at a dealership like Mercedes, right? Like, come on, man, you do it right. But guess what? It is what it is. The best thing you can do is you can do it yourself, fairly easy job, and get the value for your money and also be satisfied. All right, guys, let me know if you have any questions. We'll see you next time.